Tinanggi ng kampo ni dating Ako Bicol Representative Zaldico ang pagmamay-ari ng helicopter at private jet. Ayon sa abogado ni Ko na si Attorney Rui Rondain, ang mga aircraft na binabanggit sa investigasyon ng flood control project ay pag-aari ng Misibis Aviation at hiwalay umano ito kay Ko.
Representative Ko, wala siyang minamay-ari na any aircraft. I understand that any aircraft related to him is owned by Misibis Aviation. Separate si Mr. Ko sa Misibis. Yan na yung yan na yung isang misinformation na malaki. That's the reason we're here. Because Secretary Dizon keeps saying na ito freeze lahat yan, iko-confiscate yan. If you look at his SALN, yung Misibis Aviation was incorporated in 2004, 2008. Now, Zaldico became a congressman in 2019. So, yung aviation company na in which he owns stock is what? Was already 15, 16, 17 years old before he became a congressman.
Matatanda ang sinabi ni DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon na may 11 air assets na iniuugnay kay Ko. Kabilang ang 3 helicopter at isang jet na may tinatayang halagang 4.7 billion. Ayon sa CAAP, ilan sa mga ito ay nailabas na ng bansa. Kaugnay naman sa pagpapauwi sa dating kongresista, giit ng kanyang abogado.
And like I said, he's deathly afraid of coming home because may serious threats to his life. One half of the country wants to throw him in jail and throw away the key. The other half wants to string him up by the nearest tree. Would you come home under those circumstances? I wouldn't recommend that he come home.